friends, my name is Siddhika. Today we are making Lati Choco Pie. Let's see what ingredients we need.
Marigold biscuit, condensed milk, melted dark chocolate, milk powder.
We will cover this plate with food wrap and grease it with ghee. We will mix both of them to make cream.
Beginning of love, you look so hard, but you can't see.
The cream is ready. We will fill it in biscuit.
Don't live regret it, make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like that.
These are ready.
Like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
Ready. We will refrigerate it for 1 hour and serve. Now it's completely ready. We can eat this.